beautiful day for a great adventure on your very own island of Sodor. Hey, there you are. Good to see you. Where to now? Right leads to... Right leads to... McCall's Farm is coming up. Right leads to... We're almost at the town square. Right leads to... Next stop, Cannonball Curve. Forward leads to... Hackford Station's just ahead. What type of wagon should we pull? That's awesome! Good job! Just drag the wagon to one of the blue spots. Mix them up however you like. Where to now? Right, Hackford Station's just ahead. Help the passengers board the carriage. Drag each of them to the square with the map. Excellent! Wow! That was off the rails! Which way do you want to go? Next stop, Tidmouth Sheds. Left leads to... Next stop, Tidmouth Sheds. We can't wait to get started. Use the wheel to spin the track. That's the way. Good job! Thanks for helping out! Which way do you want to go? Right to Burnham Docks! Let's go! Help Cranky unload the special deliveries onto the boat. Wind the crank to lift and load. Great! Super! Thanks for helping out! Which way do you want to go? Let's go to the big bridge! You've got this! Help the engine jump the big bridge! Tap as fast as you can on the buttons to make the engines go, go, go! That was super cool! The passengers have arrived. Ames says thank you. Which way do you want to go? Right. Left leads to the tunnel is nearby. Rush it, Bulls! The tunnel's collapsed and our friend is stuck. Can you piece it all? Well done! We're always happy to help. Where to now? Right leads to... Right leads to... The McCall's farm is coming up. Right leads to... McCall's farm is coming up. I love that! Oh no! Sheep have wandered onto the tracks! You can help out by dragging them back if that's perfect! Great! Thanks a lot for your help! Look! That boat has to make an important delivery, but the bridge is down. Let's wind it up to let them pass. Well done! That was a blast! Full steam ahead! Oh no! It looks like something's blocking the tracks! Good job! Which way do you want to go? Forward! Next stop, Tidmouth Sheds! We can't wait to get started! Use the wheel to spin the track! Super! Super! Great! Thanks a lot for your help. Where to now? Left leads to... Not to Brenham Docks. Let's go. Left leads to... The steamworks are just ahead. Time for a refreshing wash at the steamworks. That was off the rails. Which way do you want to go? Right leads to... I love that! Left leads to... We're near the pig farm. Let's go! stop, Titmouse Sheds. Right leads to next stop, Titmouse Sheds. Forward leads to next stop, Titmouse Sheds. We can't wait to get started. Use the wheel to spin the track. Super! Good job! Great! Thanks a lot for your help. Which way do you want to go? Oh, left leads to Friendom Dome. The rolling bridge is just there. Forward leads to the rolling bridge is just there. Oh no! It looks like something's blocking the track. Great! Super awesome! Look! That boat has to make an important delivery, but the bridge is down. Let's wind it up to let them pass. Great! We're always happy to help. Oh no! Sheep have wandered onto the tracks! You can help out by dragging them back. That's the way! We all love your train set! Lights out! Lights on! All my friends want to help too, so make sure you change engines often. This is your toy collection. Here you can see all the toys you... Where to now? Left lead, we're almost at the town square. I love that! Right leads to... We're almost at the town square. Lights out! Help the passengers board the carriage! Drag the job! That was amazing! That's the way! Thanks for helping out! Where to now? Forward! The tunnel is nearby! Lights on! The tunnel is nearby! Rusted bolts! The tunnel's collapsed and our friend is stuck. Can you piece it all back together? That's the way! That was off the rails! Which way do you want to go? The Great Waterton Station's coming up. Right leads to the Great Waterton Station's coming up. The passengers have arrived, And it says thank you. You've got this. Help the engine jump the big bridge.